Looks good.
Yeah. Malanga. Or Thai, whatever. Malanga. Oh, wow. And it's martini. Wow. What you call it again?
Radish.
Radish. We got a different name. That's the problem, you know, radish.
Yeah, squash.
Squash, you know. You buy good one, you see.
Leeks, yeah.
This one celery.
The celery.
Okay. This one I know. Ancho is the one make.
Oh really? That go in there? Okay, cilantro.
Make the soup flavor, smell good, and you taste like a soup.
Parsley?
Parsley. You
Oh,
see?
wow.
Upstairs, leg bone. The upstairs, you know, coming from the cow. Yeah, that they fit.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
that's a squash that she blended and froze it. You know, preparation. You see, we're learning how to, you know, make it easier.
Easy, yeah.
Yes, that's good.
This 3-piece.
3-piece. The cilantro. That's that flavor and smell. Like this?
Yeah, you can put it. Yeah, cut it. Yeah, because this one don't melt it. Don't want to cut your fingers. It's easy for you.
So you're used to it. I need to learn how to do that, you know, because they didn't have cutting boards back then.
But yeah, that's okay. You can start.
Okay.
Cut it, cut it. Adjust your finger. Don't cut it too sweet.
Okay.
Yeah. You can wash it and we're gonna get more water on this. You know, some of them do not dirt, you know. We're gonna put the meat on there.
Okay.
Leave the juicy. You can put all the
vegetables. Okay. So
because the meat gonna be too much cooked. Don't want the muchi. Yeah, because they already cooked. You can remove it together. It doesn't matter. Yeah, because we're gonna add everything. You can just. I want to put the vegetable. Yeah, you can just go down. Get your hand.
Okay.
I don't want Sid come and say you cut my my wife. You see, it takes time. That's why you don't want to do it too late.
Yeah.
You know? If you too much, you see.
Yeah.
Don't just. Yeah, you just. Hello.
Okay.
Because you know, cow don't have too much skin to remove. Okay. I don't want you to mess your finger. Just watch it show me.
Okay.
That's what they do. I don't want them to be cooked, but I just got it with this for now, okay?
Okay.
After that, we're gonna mix everything together, you know?
Okay.
Yam, everything.
Okay.
And after that, we're gonna mix it because we have to make 2 parts. The pumpkin, I just
you
put
put
the
the
liquid
pumpkin?
on this here to see.
Okay.
Because you see the part too small, you see this one, and this one I already put the pumpkin. You see?
Yeah, that's good.
Even it's not finished yet. You don't see it look like everything, you know?
Oh, you put the meat too?
I put meat, I put everything. Everything, I don't want to leave it too thick, you know? When you finish. Okay, babe.